Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy these videos, don't forget to subscribe. I share content that's easy to follow and worth your time. Let's get started.
Connecting a VDG cable to your motherboard is a simple process once you know what to look for. VDG cables are used for addressable RGB lighting, primarily on older gigabyte motherboards. The name stands for voltage, data, and ground. First, turn off your computer and unplug the power cord for safety. Open your case to access the motherboard. Look for a 3-pin header labeled VDG. This header has 3 pins right next to each other. Many modern fans come with 2 different connectors on the same cable. One is the standard 3-pin ARGB connector with a gap. The other is the smaller VDG connector. If your motherboard has a VDG header, align the cable correctly. The connector only fits one way. Gently push the cable onto the pins until it is secure. Do not force it or you might bend the pins. If your motherboard does not have a VDG header, look for a standard 3-pin 5V ARGB header instead. This header looks like it has 4 pins, but one is missing. Most VDG cables include an adapter or a second plug for this purpose. Use the one that matches your board. Never plug these into a 4-pin 12V RGB header. Doing so will damage your LEDs permanently. Once the connection is tight, close your case and plug the power back in. Turn on your PC and check the lighting software. Your RGB components should now sync with your system. This setup ensures your build looks great with customized lighting effects. Verify your manual to confirm the correct location before you start the installation process.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.